All right, last question, and we'll wrap it up, guys. Says you have mentioned during the presentation step-by-step agency building training. Is this on ongoing training? Yeah, it's our mastermind. Or is there a date that the course starts? No, it's in our Semantic Mastery Mastermind. That's what I'm talking about with the step-by-step training is the directory authority positioning method, which is what I developed for my own agency over the last year and a half. And it's been the most successful prospecting and sales method. And I talked about that at the beginning of today's Hump Day Hangout. Now I have tree contractors who seek me out instead of the other way around, where I'm always, out. I mean, outbound prospecting is I still recommend doing that, especially when you start, because that's how you get leads into your business. And I do teach that. I teach how to build a whole automated prospecting machine in using a directory site and high level. I teach all of that in the mastermind, but the SOPs that I've been developing from this model that I've developed over the last year and a half, almost 2 years now, that is being turned into full step-by-step procedures. And that's available in the mastermind. It's the only place you'll get it. You won't get it anywhere else. We're not going to sell that as a standalone product. It's not a separate course. You have to be in a mastermind to get it. We may take the first SOP out of a series of 7 right now, a series of 7 SOPs to build all of this and how to operate it, which includes prospecting and sales, fulfillment, all of that. But the first module was about selecting an industry, determining a niche or selecting an industry. And that may be a standalone product. Because I think that's really important. And too many people that want to get into local SEO overlook that. They just think, well, I'm just going to learn local SEO and I'll take on any business. That's fine if you want to, do a lot more work than you have to, and also have a lot harder of a time making a name for yourself. If you select an industry, and particularly a specialization within an industry, you can become like the authority for SEO services in that industry, if that makes sense. And that makes it so much easier to land clients. You can fetch charge higher prices. It's just so much easier. So yeah, do we teach that? Of course we do. In the mastermind, we've always taught that in the mastermind, but now it's a lot more structured because of the SOPs. And you have to join the mastermind for that, as I said. So